Saphinde safika emukela isikhathi sehlelo lakho lelihambe embindalo lithandzayo Tandla Nenkondlo. Ngiyathi ukuthi boso worried ukuthi hayibo kanti sashaya nini isikhathi salehlelo sibone ukuthi namhla futhi utanabani ngibani asiphathele yena ngibani utasifundisa kuba ipoet ngibani utasifundisa umsebenzi weTandla. Ngibingelele ke mbukeli ngiphinze ngikwemukele ehlelweni lakho lelihambe embindalo lithandzayo Tandla Nenkondlo. Libito lami ngingifortunate ngamabuzi. Ngisho Ntombukeli Nkosinasobona Fortune uyathi ukuthi khwa manje lotakufunza khona nangumani lokukhumbuta emuva ukuthi ayi man yathi make khona nakulebeka ngifundisa kona yakubona uyakhumbula amaso wakhe emagcasi wena yakhumbula amaso ubuthana ekhaya emaphepha emasudi wakhe emagcasi nyalo yini le kwenda ukuthi uhlale phansi sinake Mbukeli namhla senkondlo wethu lo ngusimiso utawusho simiso ukuthi no what ipoetry mina nangikhuluma ngepoetry ngikhuluma ngana ngoba sesicala ukuconfuse ukuthi poetry kumbe kuhlabehlabelela kumbe kukusho umlayeto ngendlela letsite divele ke Mbukeli ukuthi Simiso uthi uyipoet ukusho ngani yini futhi poetry
lona abengilelihle likhiwa nhlobo temabhungu lagcwala tibungu wawungaphika abengilelihle likhiwa nhlobo temabhungu siphethwa ladliwa niphetho abegibela lonke ihlobo lemotolo angena kulonga sicabanga isitolo amba ama VW Polo amba ngayitolo abese kunamatolo itolo abesheshisa kwesidududu lamhla bathi uphelile dududu angisabe ngilelihle likhiwa nhlobo temabhungu lagcwala tibungu wawungaphika abengilelihle likhiwa nhlobo temabhungu siphethwa ladliwa timphetho abehamba ngakhathali busuku nemina ngalali bamnika libhodlela ngalali emalini aliso libukhali anenkhana angakhuteki akhulelwa ngabeleki angatsheleki yatshela ukuthi ungilelihle likhiwa nhlobo temabhungu lagcwala tibungu wawungaphika abengilelihle likhiwa nhlobo temabhungu siphethwa ladliwa niphetho abese inhlekisa yendlela ashinja tibhedlela afundwa angasakhona ukudidlela ugula ancipha kutidlela abesasele ngenhloko ebusweni asasipoko bangani bamkhomba ngenhloko mina bafana ngibethulela sigcoko lona abengilelihle likhiwa nhlobo temabhungu lagcwala tibungu wawungaphika abengilelihle likhiwa nhlobo temabhungu siphepho ladliwa timphetho ungabi kulelo khiwa. This is PS.
Mbukeli Tandla Nenkondlo njengoba ngikuthembisile ukuthi sidaba sinasonkondlo wethu Simiso the poet utasicocela ke Simiso ukuthi ungisonkondlo njani mina ngihlale ngiba worried uma ufuna kathina uyipoet until sive lokulathi yena uyakhaya ngoba lo munye uthi I'm a poet kan asi poet maybe yena uyi-writer bese so mistake lokuba i-writer nekuba i-poet. Simiso asikwemukele ehlelweni Tandla Nenkondlo.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Umbukeli kufisile kwathi Simiso uthi introduce nje ukuthi nguSimiso uqhamuka kuphi?
Igama lami nguSimiso ngwakaDlamini. Ngisebenzisa poet Simiso kakhulu stage name but na Simiso the poet is okay because it's still me. So ngicale kwenta poetry back in 2016.
Okay.
Bengenda i-return by then. And 2019 then ngaqala ngenda spoken word poetry.
Okay.
Yes.
Now uthi 2019 uqala kuphi nje na ungasibeka kulenzawo lo waqala khona and lapho lebe baseceleni kwakho basho bathi no Simiso you are a poet now.
Ukuqala kwami kuperforma for abantu abaningi performela abantu abaningi besesikolweni assembly.
Okay.
So bengingenda ke nase classini kutayela le audience nekwenda neperforma esontweni. So that's where I started and bamflo beseceni kwami angeke ngithi 100% beba understand lokuthi ipoetry yini bonke but then bobona ukuthi bafisa kulandzelela nekwadi ukuthi kuyini kade.
Okay. Usitwa ngibani ke wena kuze ukuthi ukhone kuba ipoet?
Okay, ekuqaleni kwami ekubeni ipoet ngaqala ngingadi lokho ngende poetry so
okay.
Bengithanda lokubhala creative writing and then ngabukela there was a talent show bekuyi T55 back in days engikhohlwe ukuthi ngumuphi umnyaka but so ngakubuka ukuthi angikho khashane from lalaba kwendako lapha ku TV bebendi poetry so there was this guy Ngomane the poet ngabukela yena and I had a brother nasekhaya but ngicini somnisi bekendi poetry but was nakabona mina lenkwendako ngisengakwade wangitshela ukuthi this is poetry and then ngacala lapho ngayendi poetry ngafunza kulaba sembi kwami ke some other poets bo Festival B bo Anthony Mas nabo MH.
Okay. Uyenda ngewe ukuthi uyayitsanza yini noma uyenda ngewe ukuthi uyayikhona?
I think kuyi-mix yako kokubili kancane.
Okay.
But kakhulu ukuthi ngiyayithanza because I think you can agree ukuthi asikho enzaweni le-fertile kangakanani for i-talent. But then into nawe uyithanza vele awukhona ukuyibalekela. As much as ungafuna kwenta lokunye kuchitha sidunge nani. But into nayila kuwe, there is always indlela yokuthi phinde ubuyele uqhubeke uyente noma ngabe sozama ukuyiyekela.
Okay. As we speaking nje uyasitana yini labanye bosonkondlo or uyabavumela yini asithi maybe uposte something ka Facebook noma ka TikTok then they feel like no man singahlanganyela sende info yinye uyabavumela yini noma uthi wena no this is my craft guys angifuni ukuphazanyisa so wabumsebenzi wabo?
Yeah, ngiyabavumela ngitinkinga. But kakhulu ngithanda ukuthi umuntu aqale understand everything lengiyo mine.
Okay.
Abe secafulweni tami noma abe kule position sibe ku same perspective kahle before siqale sende into yinye kanye yabona. So esikhathini lesinenge vele ukhanze ukuthi kulukhulu ukuthi sigcine sikwendile noma ngabe sivumelene. Ngoba ukhanza ukuthi lo muntu akakhoni kuba kule position bengiyo nangibhala le kube ngibhala so noma ngakubhala into akhanza ukuthi akusalinki ngalendlela bekufanele kulinke ngayo akusabi unit kube right. So the world was not the world without the word, and the word being heard, shared and transferred made the world a better place. Lo mhlaba ungayena umhlaba ngaphandle kwelivi ngekuviwa kuhleshunwa nekwendluliswa ento umhlaba onzala ingcono. Ngivumeleni ngitende lo ngcono ngilula umkhono ngikhiphe likhono ngaphandle kwesono ngihlanganisa imibono nje ngasonkondlo ngikhuluma ngalo uNkulunkulu lomkhulu kwendlula ikhulu ngikhuluma ngalo mcalisi nemphelelisi umphilisi lophilisa ngaphandle komaphilisi kangiphikisi lethi phopho yangiphephisa kungako ngiphawula ngithi uphakeme ngani ngaphandle kwesiphetho usicalo bika kuye tonke tikhalo akana ubamba likhalo utakwethula lomthwalo uyasho lombhalo uNkulunkulu wetimanga longacala imanga takuthethelela emhleni malanga uNkulunkulu who's gonna carry you throughout the journey because life is a journey and we're running different races. We set our own paces. We see smiles and frowns in different faces. We fall and dust ourselves in some cases. We have to be physically strong in some cases. When life puts you through crisis, don't you crisis. Show the world who Christ is. It's not gonna be easy, I know. In this pain may you grow. Let him vula titakubambelela wena bambelela. Never lose hope, never stop till you reach the top.
Okay, uyayiba advise ukuthi ngelabenda ipoetry labafisa ekuhluka ngoba lomunye utawusho ukuthi ay la sathini ema poets sekaqala kuba maningana mani and I want my craft ukuthi ihluke compared to boss Miso nalabanye bosonkondlo. Uyayima advise uthini umuntu lofisa ekuhluka nje when it comes to doing poetry?
Advice yami it's when it comes to art, just be you, be real. And utati ukuthi i-creativity yakho istimulatewa yini because kumcoka lokho ungabhaleli ukuthi okay ngifuna kwakhe content mina ngingahlala isikhathi leside ngingabhali nginga-recite nginga-perform but then when I come back everybody will know ukuthi I'm back because it has to be in you ungabe ukuthi wendela ukuthi sikhambe isikhathi mani ngingakwendi lokho that khanza so wenda into lengasiyo quality le right.
Tinkondlo takho na utibhala uyayi utitime kanjani noma uba all over the place?
Okay, I can say I'm all over. Because mina ngibhala ngetimo lengito phindze ngiyakhona ukuthi ifaka ecafulweni talomunye at the same time ngiyakhona ukubhala ngetimvo nje in general without having to be close enough ukuthi ngingabhala ngako mhlawumbe yabo. So lokho kudinga a lot of creativity ne dedication, but i-advice yami kumuntu locala poetry noma lo sathi uyicala ukuthi anga-specialize I think ku-wise loku-specialize because kufanele ulade isite lakho ukuthi okay isite leli ngi-right as much as ungafuna kwenda konke but kulula loku-specialize and kutakwenda ukuthi usheshe wadi ukuthi umephi ne-poetry. So mawadi nje ukuthi esontweni ku-religious ngisharp you are okay bangakubita esontweni and then you can from there ungadevelopa ukhule kancane kancane. Like the scar on my face, it calls up to shut up. Like a star on case, I shine in a line with no makeup. The sky is the limit. I mean it. I can change your life within a minute. Take a seat, I would keep it clean and neat. I'm really voiced at the moment I open it, summit, calm it. I feel fit, I feel like wearing the old Margaret, moderate to accommodate. I'm Juliet, reaching the penguin. It's all a dream, mate. From childhood, remember when you turned the mud into food, it was good. You grew, you joined the hood. Until then you started I love yous in low views and misused the I misuse, cause young love is a hot steam. You become a victim of the system. You get used, bruised, abused and confused. You get laid, played, unpaid and delayed. From GTIs to STIs, from VIPs to RIPs. So please rest in peace if you miss this piece, cause this is not just a poem but a message to my brothers and sisters, that when I look at them I see stars shining from impenetrable darkness, destined for greatness. This is PS.
Bese Simiso uyima kuba all over the place. Ucabanga ukuthi ngikuloso ngakhetha ukubhala ngakonyalo.
Engakhetha ukubhala ngakonyalo.
Yes, like sathi nje ukuthi when you're speaking of Simiso the poet, naku labhala ngakho.
I think I'm not really sure, but I think kakhulu ngabhala about politics and about Ilthando. Yeah.
Okay.
Isikhathi lesiningi babhala ngelithando babhala ngalo lokuhle ngalo. Ilthando li very very wide. Angeke ubhale ngekuthi bani uthanda bani, ngeke ubhale ngekuthi bani bomthanda kwendekani. You can write about the love of God, still love. Ungabhala ngelithando lonalo for live lakho, for ubuntu bakho, for anything, but nje ilthando still. I think ngingabhala ngelithando nange politics, because I feel like kuma politics kune timvo longeke so connect isho if you're not an artist. You have to be la kule stage lesi khona utokukhuluma as ukufaka as poetry noma ingoma noma as ngale talent alongilo. I think yeah ngaba kanjalo.
Okay, so nyalo ungitshele ukuthi ubhala about almost everything. Yini ke nayo le indaba ukuthi Simiso ehluke. Ngathi nje uthi yabona ngiva noma ngabe ngiva le poem le. Simiso.
Lokhu ngangenda ngehluke from other poets, noma lengifise kungenda ngehluke. Indlela recite ngayo.
Okay.
Poetry as much as good reciter, it's almost one, but le creativity lengifaka emagameni, emalayinini, kule titanza and in the whole poem at large. Fanele ibe enough to make an impact umunye nangamunye lo tayilalela leyo poem.
Bahamba bahlala phansi basebona sebabukela lona lihlelo lesitawuthi luhlelelwe wena Tandla Nenkondlo. Hayi mbukela sithatha likhefu ngoba ngidaze ngicala bese sengiyadola timpo sidabona nemva likhefu ungenzawo. Mbukela lubukele lona lihlelo lakho lolithandayo nelihamba embili Tandla Nenkondlo. Uyathi ke mbukeka ukuthi cha lahlelweni ngabe phela asikendi kahle ngaba khami kahle manje. Nasingelethe abasonkondlo kuphela na ungasho ukuthi ha bathi Tandla Nenkondlo but then ngathi seyinkondlo nenkondlo, which is wrong embukeli. Sinaye ke mbukeli lolo wenda umsebenzi weTandla. Ngishido ngathi sakutfolela umloto wenda umsebenzi weTandla. Ngasho ngathi yabona iskill sakho lesa. Lokwakhe emagcasi lwafundiswa ngima kwakho but wena uvungaza uthi the sting kangihlaza, the sting is not for me. We people are making money when uhleli lale khona ngabafobile Dlamini lo wenda umsebenzi weTandla, but ke na ubuka lo msebenzi wakhe weTandla ngathi nginangilo wenda wakubona New York ngemshini. Utasicoceke bafobile ukuthi umsebenzi wakhe weTandla wenda njani, ukufunza phi futhi ngoba nami ngibone ukuthi I know bafobile on another level. Bafobile siyabemukela ehlelweni.
Siyabonga kakhulu njalo.
Siyaphila. Umbukeli ke mina sengizamile kumvethela kancane ukuthi wena wenda umsebenzi weTandla. Ufisile ke kwadi ukuthi umuphi umsebenzi weTandla lo wendako?
Alright, mina ngenda tikhwama tema beats then ngiyatfunga netimpahla lokunye.
Okay.
Yang lokho nje kakhulu.
Okay, now to interested utfunga tikhwama tema beats. Ema beats ngidayile ukuthi bende macici bamfungawo bende kwegaba. Ufika kanjani kwakheni tikhwama ngema beats?
Okay, idea lengayibona nami nga Pinterest.
Okay.
Ezingisascrolla nje back in the years. Then lokufunza kwenta letikhwama ngakubona ka YouTube ke yabo ukuthi ube interested and then uqhubekele uzame nje ukuthi uyifunze ukuthi yenziwa kanjani, so ngakufunza ka YouTube. Then from there I just went on and nami ngakuthanda and bantu bathi thanda tikhwama tami, so vele ngachubeka kanjalo ya.
Okay, so YouTube nguye thishela wakho nje awubese awuyanga kulomunye umuntu lo mati ukuthi okay lo ngiyatfunga wakusida?
No, angiyanga kumuntu ngafunza ka YouTube nje kakhulu.
Okay, umuphi umnyaka?
Alright, is the first bag lengayenda ngayasenda 2022 but ke ngalokuthi nami bengisengakakwadi kahle, so bengisede nangizana ne supplier yabona yalama beats because alikhuni kutholakala, so mangabe ndifuna kuba consistent ebusinessini ekuthinga ukwadi ukuthi isitoko sakho sithola kuphi kanjani. So that time bengisede konke lokho, so what I did was ukuthi the first bag lengasenda I literally made a loss nje kiso. So I did my research, ngatfola a supplier, and nyalo 2023 la ngiphinze ngacala kahle phinze khona ngadenda tikhwama senginayo supply, sengathi ukuthi konke ngikuthola nje kuphi ngaphandle kwema glitches, because mangabe customer litofika nje lithi lifuna something sikhwama, then dinga like sifuna maybe in a week, we have to make sure ukuthi ngiya supplier in just that week alone, so ngibe nayo ukuthi sengikuthole konke lele ngikuthi ngakho.
Okay. Naku uyaqala, you making a loss, ngesikhoma sakho sekuqala, yini le yabese ikwenta ukuthi uqhubeke nalomsebenzi wendawo, ngoba I am thinking lemfi yaqala kuyenda and I think yo invest imali lengaka kiko, then asengithengisa ngithola imali encane compared to le mali engicuphe ngayo. Yini lena le yakwenda ukuthi no what but forbid ekuqhubeka nomsebenzi lo wendawo?
Most importantly nje ukuthi I'm a crafty person, vele ngiyakuthanda nje kwenta info tetandla. Then ke nalo ukuthi while I'm still job hunting myself, I need to yabo ngibe nako a source of income yabo, ngingahlali nje ngigathe. So nalo ukuthi the loss ayizange iba discourage, kwaba more of a motivation ukuthi yati you can try again instead ukuthi ngivele ngigive up, let me find other ways and fix the problem instead of just giving up. That was my motivation.
Okay. Naku ke seyaqhubeka uyawenda umsebenzi uyayithola supplier le kahle. Ema customer akhona yini noma uyawenda umsebenzi ubeke ukuthi khanze sona isitoko lesinike endlini?
Akhona kuba bete kuyahlukana especially bo December nje lapho ke vele kuba busy. After June nje kuba busy till December, then January that's where business is slower down because bantu ngicangise ba focus on other expenses nabo lebanawo, so go slower down. But mina akungidiscourage kangako because ngiva ngazuthi the more ngi-advertiser, I'm not just looking for a customer today, but I'm looking for a customer for the future also. So mangikhona advertiser nemuntu utobona namuhla maybe angeke aza connectenga namuhla, but eventually utogcina khona kuthenga yabo. So that's my idea ukuthi I must mostly focus on the long term than just now.
Okay. So nangil customer uyakhona ngingayendele design yami sithi nje sengiqhamuka ne design maybe nginasikhwama lesi heart uyakhona ngingendela noma uthi no mina guys ngikhona kwenda lokuma round kuphela kwamanje angikhona kwenda labanye ba shapes?
No, kude I believe ukuthi kude lengakhona kwenda, especially when it comes to the line of craft kwenda nje like the bags, clothes and stuff like that. Ngiva ngazuthi I can just do it, comes easy for me somehow. So I can do anything. Saying the challenge is ukuthi maybe especially kuleti khwama nje mangabe ufuna ema beats lathide yabo, I have to make sure ukuthi ngicontacta my supplier kucala ngive ukuthi angangitholela yini that specific beat before ngithi hayi ngakwendela yabo.
Okay. So etimpahleni ngivile nayo ukuthi uyathunga. Uthunga impahla leti kanjani?
Ngithunga mostly kuba ma request ebantfu le ma personal designs ebantfu.
Okay.
But I also do mangabe nje kune fashion show lekhona bahle bang invite kuma fashion shows.
Nice.
So ngiyenda nema fashion shows, and there is an upcoming one 18 May. Le bang invite kuyo. Maybe you guys can come also. Yeah. So kuba ngiloko nje ukuthi personal designs, then my own collection. Sengilokuthi when it comes to my clothing sengakabi fully grounded ukuthi sengiyade ukuthi okay, I'm making my clothes, then what is the next step? Sengiyathengisa maybe online. I'm still sorting that out.
Okay.
Yeah.
Kuthada kumuntu lomusha lo safuna umsebenzi, maybe unalo talenta noma ngabe lani la ngakhanga lo imali, but kunalo doubt ukuthi ishi ngingawuthingithingila kanti uthi sengifungile sengibekile lapha endlini no one is buying, ungamkhuthata uthini?
There's not much encouragement. Kuba kuwe ungumuntu ukuthi what do you want for yourself more than anything, because vele mokucala nje i-business you won't get a customer that's guaranteed. Kudodinga ukuthi umake sure lokuthi you have the drive within you uqhubeke upush despite, because mina nje ngibukela my social media account ezingisaqala, sometimes you thole like 2 views and all those things, so you have to keep pushing despite those things, especially nyalo nje, because the economy nayo yabo when it comes to my finances yabo 40 years uya struggleisha. So they angeke ngize ngithi umuntu do this, do that. You have to just find it within yourself. This is what I want to do, and ngifuna a future less stable when it comes to my finances, and kubeng logo and do whatever you can. Make sure you just do something ungahlali nje.
Okay. Kulaba sibukelako njengamanje ngikuphi nje lo ngacela, especially the customers, ngoba ngiyathi ukuthi nasobukela ubona i-design nje ukuthi no, I like these bags noma I like this dress, but akuthola ungathini ngibo?
My customer army, most of all nje lalengsengawe my customer, I really appreciate them, but mangabe there is more people labafuna kungisupporta when it comes to my business, I would really appreciate that. And bangangithola kuma social media platforms, because I am on Facebook, Instagram, na TikTok. Yeah, so they can find me there. My business page is fashionforum.sz. Yes.
Okay, usithembisani as your customers isita support.
When it comes to my bags, I can't really sing in Tembisa anything, because finding lama beads are very expensive. So my prices are saying nje as a customer funa kung supporter, they can just support. But I am hoping in the future I will do maybe a discount when it comes to masengati okay saying steady kahle, I can do those kind of things, and my discounts and my promotions, my giveaways and all those things.
Mbukeli uyati ukuthi sihlale sihlisha ngeso sikhathi utawuthi nje njalo wena nawuthi u-enjoy ukubukela Tandla Nenkondlo sikhathi sithi not today and mina phela mfana ihlala ngistressa every day mos uyayibona ukuthi isimayini safuthi bese sesiyaphela kepha-ke sitawuthini isikhathi ngiso lesi silawulako kepha-ke evikini elitawu sitawuchubeka sibuye sikulethele sonkondlo naloyo wento umsebenzi wetandla uthanda na ubuka mani usho ukuthi hayi mani mina ngiyakhumbula mani ngenda lo msebenzi wami wetandla loya and phela bahleti bagathe ukuthi basupport wena manje na uhlethu siba support bani sitabonana ngembukelo evikini elitawu ngeso sikhathi esifana goodbye and God bless.